In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome always visible. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. When you first open Chrome, you might notice that the bookmarks bar only appears on the new tab page. Having the bookmarks bar visible at all times can be incredibly convenient, allowing you to quickly access your favorite sites. Here's how to enable this feature. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner, you'll find 3 dots. Click on them to open a menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings. Once in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side and click on Appearance. Under the Appearance section, locate the option to show the bookmarks bar. Toggle this setting on and the bookmarks bar will immediately appear across all tabs. This makes it easy to access your bookmarked websites no matter where you are in Chrome. This simple adjustment can save time and streamline your browsing experience.